halfway done. Just heavy rains, most of it dying out. Just the winds pushing them. Looks like we're not gonna lose anything. Yes, it's kind of daylight now. The best part of the field so far is first part 2 minutes. It was a bright lightning like a couple minutes before I recorded, but I was getting my stuff ready. Alright, we got wind coming in. Get a little crack open, get some little thunder in here. That's just an air conditioner. Why these batteries are not low right now? Oh, dude, get some good vibe right over the table. Oh, that was a fun lightning one right there. It kind of went slow. Time. Just wind and rain and lightning, just a little bit of thunder. That's it. It's dying out, but just in time. Just got in here just in time. Hope we're not supposed to get one at all, but we got like a pop-up storm. Just snatch up and boom. These storms are not severe anymore. We do have a part of tornado warning earlier with Gary, Indiana. So I don't know what county it is, but it's in Gary, Indiana, south of it. Looks like we're not gonna lose it. Okay, that was a big. You saw that? That was a lightning strike. A long wedge one, but I don't know. I don't know, but that might be a lightning strike in the air right there. So this might be the best part of it. So second part, 2 minutes is the best one now. Was that you, Mom, or that was just thunder like that? Just like that. Will you quit lying, Katrina? It's just a stupid storm, man. Why are you so scared of it? You know, though, kids get scared. I was scared of storms when I was little, but I'm standing up and I'll be recording it. I saw the lightning strike. I wasn't scared of. Two-part video. It's a very thick storm, very thick. Just about like this. The storm like this. And it's thick, and it's like this. That's how a storm works. I'll tell you how high the clouds are, and I'll show you that. The darker the clouds is, the higher the storm clouds are. And I don't know how lightning works, but when two clouds crumble together, like, that's lightning hurts, and storm will pop up if you do that. I don't know who did this. God created all this. Storms hit here like 25 times a year. Storms do hit here like 25 times a year. And we got some lightning strikes right now. We just got lightning strikes right now. We just got them. But it's going away fast. It's not that wild, it's just a little crack. It's a little thunder window. I cannot believe the garage door is not shut. What's wrong, Luce? What's wrong with Lucy? She always scared. She's 8 times 7. She like 56. Okay, you're waiting back there? Well, bad. Don't work at home. Don't work. Right there. Cyan. We got some lightning strikes right now, and looks like it's gonna die out. Looks like that's it, everyone. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. Oh wait, you gotta go with good luck. Do you saying you like? Your clear grocery is over. Behind it's just heavy rain. So just stay tuned for more updates. Stay tuned, everyone. See you on Saturday. Maybe later.